Yes, I'm recording.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, man. Christopher, what do you mean by wide? Like this? It's not taking the whole image unless I do it like that. Alright. Man, that tree is hard. Yeah. I mean, you're pretty much in a safe place. I don't think I am, though.
Oh.
Ahora. I see it vibrating. You want to take a break? For your arm?
No.
No? Can you use your left hand? That would be weird.
Wow.
I can't believe it's still hanging on. I'm still recording just in case. What happened? Yeah, I'm recording. This This is the time it would be nice to have a beaver somewhere. Oh. That's a big branch. It's aiming in my direction.
Está profundo.
Yes,
¿Tú lo ves profundo?
I do. I can't believe it's still standing. Honestly. You want to take turns? Never mind.
What the heck?
It's standing by un pelo. Oh!
It's falling?
No, I thought it was going to. I thought it was. It should have. Don't give up. You're close, man. You're really close.
Huh?
Okay, I know you're getting tired. Your arm must be getting tired. But you're close. You want to try to push it?
We can cut this to
Yeah. No, we're gonna edit it, obviously. Yeah.
But this is gonna fall down hard. I hope it doesn't fall down on me.
It might fall on the... En la sombrilla. La sombrilla. Ay, Dios mío. The anticipation is killing me.
On its weight.
It's holding its weight.
It should be falling down on its whole weight, right?
Yeah. Pero you might want to give it a helping push. Can you reach? Oh,
I can hear it.
you hear it cracking? Crack-a-lack-a-lacking?
Sí, pero bien poco.
Ah, well, it's not gonna go down on its own.
Hace ruido, pero bien poco.
Oh, 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 my, yeah.
No, me. Wait.
I think that was a bit exactly how I knew it was gonna fall in this direction.
Bienvenido al campo jíbaro, donde las plantas se pican a machete limpio, a mano pelada. ¡Huepa!
Wepa. Wow. That is so cray. What? Mira, todo se cayó por el zapacón.
How's that, Jen?
That was awesome.
Well, we did a good job.
You did the job, man.
Look at this.
That's the inauguration.
Pero por el palo.
Oh, wow. And it fell exactly in the same place where I knew it was going to.
I have to see that video.
Yep. Do you want me to stop recording?
If you want. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, Chris. This is for you. You won't believe it. Look what I found. Guess what that is? Hope I can capture it clearly. A baby Múcaro. He's sleeping. He looked back a moment ago, and that's how I confirmed it's a Múcaro. He's a little cutie eyes. It's adorable. Come on, look down again, please. Cutie. This is a little fur ball. I don't know how to catch its attention. I'm gonna do some bird call here. Caw. It's cute. Múcarito. There you go. Oh, it's not clear. Oh, it's not clear. It's so cute. It's adorable. I'm so sad that this video is not clear. Come on. Aww. Okay, that was a poop. Oh no. That's sad. Oh well. Goodbye.
You're so cute.